If someone is unsure whether or not they have diabetes, they could do an online search for type 2 diabetes symptoms. By doing so, they may find out many resources which they never knew were possible. For instance, menus and exercise programs to help get rid of type 2 diabetes symptoms. First off, grumpy and tired are symptoms, as well as being hungry and thirsty. Another symptom is having to urinate quite frequently and also a sudden weight loss. Other types of type 2 diabetes symptoms may include bruises and cuts that do not seem to heal, and also, vision that is not as clear as it used to be. The feeling of hunger for diabetes patients is very real. When the blood sugar is low, the body will wear out quickly. This means that the body will get hungry very quickly. Even though that person is eating quite a bit more, excess glucose is lost in the urine stream, which means rapid weight loss. Another type of type 2 diabetes symptoms would be blurred vision. This happens only when the blood sugar is at a higher level and there is a fluid loss from the eyes. This disease is a very scary one and can get people in a lot of trouble if it is not handled properly. For instance, people lose their lives on a regular basis because they do not keep their type 2 diabetes symptoms under control. Some examples are the loss of limbs or the loss of eyesight. One of the ways that most doctors will have their patients get their type 2 diabetes symptoms under control would be to control their diet. This is the only cure. A good way to lose weight would be to minimize carbohydrates. Some examples would be to reduce the intake of breads, as well as potatoes and chips. Rice is another high carbohydrate food that should be minimized. By doing this, the weight will drop off. Unless, of course, it is too late. Once it has been out of control for too long, there are no guarantees. The chances of the type 2 diabetes symptoms never returning are good if the patient keeps it under control. Learn more at type-2-diabetes-symptoms.com.